Why build a high-octane network? I have 5 thoughts for you, but here's my top line. When tools like LinkedIn and Twitter constantly tell you how many people you know and influence, it takes away from the core of what makes a network work for you. My first tip for you on how to build a high-octane network: be relationship-oriented, not transactional. Some of my best relationships are with people I've met 15 years ago. People who know how you've evolved, people who know the context of your aspirations, are the ones that will truly step up when they see you needing some guidance. When you reach out to help them, you have that same sense of understanding where they're going. Relationships matter. It's not about that last transaction. Here's a second insight. Build on shared values. What happens when you have these relationships that are not built on strong core values? You find yourself headed in different directions and basing your thoughts on very different assumptions. My favorite example was a couple of months ago when I had to get on a plane because a client needed me the next day in Germany, and I reached out to somebody I knew from ages ago and said, "Need you there. We need to work with a client on a very specific issue." This woman in Germany that I worked with was similar to me. We put the customer first. We made it all about client service. We knew that strategy and organization go together. We had a turnkey answer right away. Know your values, make sure your network is based on that values, and help that activate your network. Third point, respect the expertise around you. In this day and age, you can get smart about most things on Google, but when push comes to shove, you want that expert professional to help you. Know your experts and use them thoughtfully and engagingly. The fourth pointer, make sure you can actually enjoy each other's company. When push comes to shove, when you're in the midst of a piece of work that requires a lot of effort, you really need to get to enjoy that hard piece of work. The airport test is a great test. If you can spend time with each other, if you miss your plane, it means that you actually would get along, and that's important in a network. My fifth and final tip for you, be generous. When you have somebody who has the same values, you have a long relationship with, you enjoy, and you're able to engage with for their expertise, be generous. Refer them to others who can use their expertise. You know they'll do the same for you.